Dunedin.
Yeah.
It's got a quack.
Oh no! Oh my god, there's mud everywhere. Wow. Cool. So several people recommended to go through Lake Onslow and then the Nevis Valley treks. If I do that on my way to Wānaka, it pretty much doubles or triples the trip. Well, it might be fun. I'm not gonna do that today. I just want to head to the family. The only detour I'll do today is just to show you Dunedin. You see, that's what I'm talking about. That's a cool city, isn't it? Look at that. Well, not sure if the lookout point is gonna work like this. Go to a lookout point, they said. Nice views. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Dunedin. Alright, better head back. Nice bridge. Oh yeah. Well, somebody commented this. Make sure to take Clyde to Clyde. Here you go. Clyde is in Clyde. I made it to Wānaka, excited to see the family again. Stay. Hey! May. Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
Very professional.
Now we're gonna put it like this. So do this one over the peg, like that. Yes, now the other side.
What's it there? Oh, it's a movie camera, so you can film stuff. Huh? Yeah.
Shall I do the last bit? Yeah, there we go. You're a bit close. So I'll wait for you to close the door. See you soon. Yeah? Bye. Thank you, Forrest. Right, so today did a bit of boating. The planning is to do a bit of a motorcycle ride with the family tomorrow. Stay. Good. On Monday we'll do the Skipper's Road. So excited for that. And to fix the drone, the replacement part that I ordered was delivered over here. I did an initial attempt to repair it.
Pretty cool that we got the same soap.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
How did it go into the tree?
Oh, because it was so windy, I could not control it. It was too much wind. It's almost falling off.
Oh yeah, I can see what's going on.
Yeah.
It's got a quack.
Yeah, it's gonna crack, yeah. But I'm missing some really small torque screwdrivers. Even in the very, very big workshop, the tools weren't available. So just trying to get those now. Hopefully I can fix the drone today. It's a bit of an effort. Right, so I got pretty much all I need. A custom set from Fix-It Digital Solutions. Just going for a little ride in the direction of Clyde.
Into that wind, that thing would barely get into fifth gear.
Oh, really? Wow. It's the dam, the Clyde Dam. That is the biggest hydroelectric dam of New Zealand, 100 meters deep in Clyde. Thomson Gorge Road. Exciting times. Have you seen the skies? They're just stunning today. I like it. Big contrast in the skies today. The hydroelectric dam at Clyde is one of the many hydroelectric dams in the South Island. And the South Island actually provides all the power of New Zealand pretty much. Even to the North Island. So they got big cables going through the North Island. It's not the most efficient way because it's quite far away. Alright, time for some fun. They're probably both better at it than I am. Pete is on the the least suitable bike for this road, but he just does it anyway. Wow. Cool. Another Royal Enfield ad. Yeah! I mean, it's not something I've done before. First time for me doing something like this. Traffic. Alright. Wow. We don't get this at home. Oh, yeah. There we go. Some more fun. Tiny Ford. Oh my god. Oh, missed that one. Almost dropped it there. Did you see that? What? 3.9. Oh no! Thanks for filming that, Ben. I hope it was cool. Oh no! I had to commit, I was slowly sliding into it. Oh my god, there's mud everywhere. Oh god. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, that's better. I think there's a bit of a ford there. Ah! All right, time to do the last stint. Look at that, man. That was a fun day of riding. It's been a while since I've had so much fun on the bike, and the last time was actually with Pete as well. I need to do more off-roading. I love it. We made it. Next up, Skipper's Road. Exciting, a little bit scared, but as it should be. See you soon.
Mama, pull the trigger.
Yeah.
Mama, pull the trigger and then
Go on, Mamie!
go.
Oh, that's too close. You have to step back a bit. Try again, try again. Yeah!